Let me show you how we can bypass the forgotten screen lock password on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you forgot the password to your phone and now you cannot unlock it, unfortunately you don't remember the password, then in this case we will have to perform a factory reset of the device. Now, of course, this is inconvenient because you will lose everything that you have on your phone as a result, and also it is a little bit tricky to perform a factory reset via recovery mode when you don't remember the password to the phone, because you cannot really turn off the phone, which is necessary in this case. So in this case, if you try to shut down the phone, if you try to power it off, your phone still asks you to provide the password. In my case, I have the fingerprint because my phone was actually unlocked, but in your case, if you didn't unlock the phone, then you will not be able to use it, of course. So what you can do is the following. First, you want to prepare a USB cable and a computer or a laptop. You will have to connect your phone to a computer, but not yet. It is something that we're gonna do in the meantime. And the first thing that we need to do is we need to we need to force restart our phone. So we're gonna use the power button and volume down button. You want to press and hold both of these buttons for approximately 7 seconds to shut down the phone. Actually, it restarts, but the screen is going to be shut down. And once that happens, you want to use the cable, the USB cable, and connect your phone to the computer with it. Once you connect the cable, you want to press and hold power and volume up, and you will need to keep holding these two buttons until the phone turns on. And once you see the Samsung logo, you just want to hold volume up only. So let me demonstrate. We're gonna press and hold power and volume down. I'm gonna also prepare the cable now. Once the screen shuts down, connect the cable, and then use power and volume up and keep holding these two buttons. And unfortunately, at least in my case, it seems that the phone takes a little bit of time to turn itself back on after force restarting. But if it happens to turn back on, just release the power button and keep holding volume up. In my case, this time it was rather quick. Alright, so now that we are in the recovery mode, in here we can navigate by using volume buttons. And since we want to factory reset our phone, we need to select this option, wipe data / factory reset, and confirm by pressing the power button. Now, you might need to go through additional instructions that you will see on the screen, so just follow them, and you should be able to reset your phone and erase everything, and you will be able to go through the initial configuration again and set up the phone again. If you go back to the recovery menu, this main menu over here, after wiping the data, if you are redirected onto this menu again, then you want to choose Reboot System Now, and of course confirm by pressing the power button in order to turn the phone back on and go back to the normal mode. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.